we're here today just to show you a little bit about the liners that we offer, our Coco replacement liners, and the difference between our brand and a competitor's brand that's much more commonly found in your big box stores and online. Ours do cost a little bit more, but you're going to see why in just a second. This is the competitor's brand. You can see the light coming through there, how thin that is. This one actually has, you can hear it, it has plastic in it, which is not exactly natural or ecological at this point. And once that cocoa moss wears away, what are you going to see? Plastic. So that's that. Our liners, on the other hand, and I'm holding this up exactly, this is against the light. You cannot see anything through there. Every once in a while there'll be a little spot, but it is a much stronger, thicker liner. They are a minimum of 10 millimeters, and all of our liners are manufactured that way. And we have them, ours also have added latex, which does help with the water retention, but the latex rubber is a natural material, so that's a lot better for the environment. And we have sizes all the way up in the round liners from 12 inches to 24 inches in various depths that should fit a wide range of the hanging baskets that you might have.